good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Look what we have here. Got a box. Can you see what's in there? Some quad tips. So I know it's long overdue, but I've been indecisive if I should keep these rectangle tips or not. If you look closely, see how that one's crooked? Then you look over there, that one's straight. Let me go ahead and open them up. I really like these too. I got some quad tips, stainless steel. As you can see, they're like angled right here. I really like the angle look that it has. I feel like it's gonna sit the back of my car real well. And surprisingly, I got these off of eBay. Of course, I looked up my size, the inlet and outlet. These are 4-inch quad tips with the 2.5 inlet. And both of these together, the width is 8 inches. And I measured can't see it, but I measured the old tip and it came out the same dimension. So these gonna fit really well up under there. Now, I'm no welder, but those welds look pretty clean on there. Let me know what you think about that. It look pretty clean. It look all right. That look kind of raggedy right there, but hey, it's gonna be up under the car, not even visible. Y'all let me know, anybody who know how to weld, tell me how that look. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna get these bad boys put on today. It's getting kind of late right now, so I'm gonna box these things back up, throw them in the trunk, and we gonna head to the muffler shop tomorrow, and I'll take you along with me. Stay tuned. What about leave it like that? How that look? Heck no. Dirty up under here. Yeah, I don't want it sticking all the way out. I want it like barely like at the top right here. The top of it. Yeah, right there.
Que the one side a little more que this side, porque the bumper is...
Yes, I know it's kind of curved, yeah. Yeah, right there is good. Yeah, that's good, brother. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. That stuff burning my feet. When them wheels hit the ground, them mud hit my foot. Them hot. We ain't supposed to be that close anyway. That's your car? Mud nice. It's wrapped?
Yeah.
Mud nice, man. Kevin. KJ. Already? You don't mind if I check it out? Check out this thing, just pull up in here. Dang, nice. that wrap on there. Oh, look at that. Mopar. The hood pins on there. Oh, nice. General Lee. 292 General Lee. What's up? Okay. Yeah, man, we all done. Let me let y'all look at it on the ground. Check me out. Ooh, that's nice. And wait till you see what else I'm gonna put up under there. That's gonna set it off real nice too. Just wait. But yeah, that look good. We up here at A&B Muffler, up here in Grand Prairie. So yeah, that look good. Look at that. And then I didn't want it sticking out too far out, so that's perfect. I mean, it's gonna be big and bulky on the side anyway. But yeah, that look good. That look good.